Multi-step equations. I think this is 1.10. This equations A worksheet is dealing with combining like terms on the same side of the equal sign and then solving for your variable. The first 2 pages deals with nothing but combining like terms on the same side of the equal sign and then solving for your variable. And I think we'll just do the first 2 pages. Okay, number 1. Combining like terms on the same side of the equation. 7x plus 4x is 11x. 33. Then I'm going to divide both sides by the coefficient. 11. I think you're capable of writing down at least one step, right? No. Don't forget, my example problems that I do in class, you should write down every step so that when you go to do the work, you know where the information came from. When you do your homework, yeah, maybe you could skip a step or two. All right? That's fantastic. Let me do number 5. See, I have a negative 3k, a positive 7k. I can combine. So I get the negative 3k plus 7k is a 4k. Here's my plus 1, 33. I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. These add up to 0. I get my 4k equals 32. Then I'm going to divide by the coefficient 4. And I get k equals 8. Good. I don't think they get much harder than that. Let's try 13. I don't know, I'm just picking them. Okay, here's my equal sign. I'm going to put my dotted line there. See, I can combine the 15m and the minus 12m. That gives me what? 3m. It's nothing to combine with the constant term, so minus 12 equals 16. Add 12 to both sides. These add up to 0. My 3m equals 28. Divide by the coefficient 3. And m equals, now if it would be 27, it would be 9. I would prefer that you actually leave it as an improper fraction. 28 thirds, make sure it's reduced. That's as far as we can go. If you want to make it a decimal, it would indeed be 9.3. I don't care. Why? Either or, because I'm a nice guy. Let's see. Oh, they put them in decimals in the answers. Okay. Questions, comments, concerns, how to do these? How about page 2? Know how to do these puzzles? Okay, it's kind of a riddle thing. What mammal mother has babies nearly 1/3 of her own size? Well, the way you do these, you solve the equations, and combine like terms here, 4x and 5x gives me 9x. Combine the constant terms on the other side, 25 plus -7, 18. Divide by the coefficient 9, and I get x equal 2. And then you're going to do all these, then you're going to do all these, then you're going to draw a line to where the other x equal 2 is. And I'll Yep, number 9 will do, because number 9 comes out to 2. Okay, combine like terms. See, I have a negative 12r and a plus 1r. Gives me a negative 11r. Here's my plus 3. Negative 7 minus 12. Negative 19. Minus 3 from both sides. Negative 11r equals negative 22. Divide both sides by coefficient negative 11. And I get r is positive 2. Okay. So what you're going to do is take a straight edge. Because I'm a rotten, horrible teacher. I'm going to make you do work. And you draw a line between those two. And it crosses off a letter. And the letters without lines through them will spell out the answer. So after you complete everything and draw your lines, you will get the answer. Questions?